remember the day we wrote that was the day that Princess Di died. We went for a walk up the waterfall. Every time we went up it was a trickle, right? Until this particular day, to be inspired by, it was pumping. I felt that there was a shift in the attitude around the way in which we would move as waihīrere at that point. And that's kind of the way in which I remember that song sort of coming into being.
In 1998, we were given quite a big responsibility to start to help frame the whole bracket, making sure that we had that understanding and that value for the context of the place was really important.
And there was a whole investment around, you know, who's waihīrere, what does it mean for you, I think we were marrying the ideas of Uncle George and our ideas at that point, which were quite young. So rere, wairere became a metaphor for droplets of water, and that there's many ways in which that water will shift across time. It was a real kind of trying to make the connection between te hunga rangatahi and the way in which we were seeing them. We were going through a shift, I think, in identity, but the thing that we were saying cannot change is that link to this place. There was a real push towards connecting our rangatahi to this idea because, you know, at that point we were quite a young group. I think I was about 23 in that festival. I guess I drove the composition of it in terms of the idea and the way in which it was told, adding in a little bit of dance. So like even in the actions, you know, as the actions came out, you know, you know, like you had all of those sorts of rhythms. Anyone wants to know what's Waihīrere about, take that song, here's the map, this is what it's about. How it looks today is different to what it was in '98 because we all just droplets in that waterfall, you know. That's the potential of it.